Good morning. Good morning, strong people. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? It's been a busy week. Yes, yes, today is Friday. Thank God it is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. For those of you that are viewing me for the first time, hello, hello. Welcome to my new friends. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, my new followers. Hello. My name is Terza Andrews. It's my pleasure to be with you this morning. If you're watching me live, just type in the comment section live. If you're watching me after the live, please put in the comment section hashtag replay. Let me know where you're chiming in from. Good morning, Gloria. Hello. Good morning, rise and shine. Yes, put in the comment section hashtag replay. To all my Strength and Honor women, good morning. I'm going to leave you with this quote this morning, A strong woman is one who is able to smile this morning like she wasn't crying last night. Now, I don't know if you broke up with somebody, you stumped your toe or whatever, but guess what? Good morning. Put your smile on your face and keep on pushing. Yes, yes. To my fine gentlemen out there, continue to be strong. Take care of your families. Yes, yes. Be that great leader of your household. Rule her with love and compassion. Yes, yes. Good morning. Sister Terza just came on this morning just to say good morning. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Sitting at my desk, getting ready to get started. Y'all know Sister Terza do a little bit of everything. Those of you that don't know, and this your first time seeing me live, Sister Terza do a whole lot of things. I am your wealth strategist. I have my own home-based business, and I started my home-based business in August the 27th to be exact. And so what I did was I added a tool to support my home-based business so that in between time I can continue to make money. Yes, yes, that's right. So I wanted to do something extra. I got big dreams. I don't know if you see my vision board up there? I wrote my visions down and I made them plain. Well, I got big visions, y'all. And so I need much money. So what I did was I wrote everything down on, well, we have two boards. I have a vision board with my husband. Then I have a vision board that I had before I met my husband. So everything, we just checking them on off. Yeah, so if you have dreams and goals and ambitions, you write them down. I lost my job about 4 years ago, come February the 17th, and I had to figure out something else I wanted to do in order to provide for my family. So what I did was, my husband actually brought me to this platform that I'm doing, how I started WTA Life Solutions. My husband actually brought the platform to me. It's an education platform that helped me start my own home-based business. And what I did was I began to do my research and began to connect with people. And I know that I've connected with some amazing things to help bless my home-based business. So now I operate as a wealth strategist for my followers, for my friends, and those of you that are joining my page. I thank you so much. Thank you for adding me as your friend. Good morning, good morning. Hey, Jacqueline, how are you? I have a sister named Jacqueline. We call her Jackie. Do they call you Jackie too? Make sure you put in the comment section where you're chiming in from. Yes, ma'am. Well, you all, I didn't want much. I just wanted to come on and say good morning to you. Make sure you have a stupendous day. Don't ever give up on you. Always remember that there's something every day that you can do to bring finances to your home. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I want to give a shout out to Daria, Jerome, yes. All of my home-based business owners. I want to give a shout out to Miss Jenna Marie. Yes. I want to give a shout out to Miss Carolyn. Yes. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Hey, Wade. Hey, praise and excellence. I know you're going to watch the video later. You always come on, so I want to give a shout out to you as well. Good morning. Yeah, somebody's waking up with a heartbreak this morning, but that's all right. You strong enough to carry on. Yes. Just say, good morning, heartache. Here I go again. Tell them, hello, I'm still here. Your heart will mend. Yes. That's right. Get over it. That's right. Love on yourself. When I was singing, I would date myself, honey. I took myself to the movies and stuff. I know it's a COVID-19, but you get you a cute little table, fix you a pretty little plate, light you a candle, honey. Get you a nice glass, okay? Fix yourself some dinner and chill out, okay? Get you a nice book to read. Love on you. Develop yourself. That's right. Sister Teresa got a course coming, y'all. Yes, sir. I told you Praise and Excellence was coming on. I already shouted you out, Praise and Excellence. Hey, good morning. Good morning, Curtis. How are you? I just came on to say good morning. I didn't get a chance to welcome you all to my webinar this week. So I want to just come on and say good morning. Yes. What'd you say, Jacqueline? What, girl? You and the Queen said it? Hey, we got to have lunch or breakfast or something. Come on now. What is up? You know, I was born and raised in Charlotte, North Carolina. Yes, sir. Yes, I was. Oh, my goodness. Well, we got to get together. I have this nonprofit, girl. I need your hands. One thing about a business, right? You got to have some helpers around there. People that's ready for the vineyard, right? Yes, ma'am. I need you, honey. You need to message me or I'm going to be messaging you. All right. Charlatan. Yes. Good morning, Gloria. What's going on? Hi, neighbor. Okay. Let me see. Where are you? I can't remember. I know you probably told me once or twice. Where are you? You're in North Carolina too. Yeah, I can't see where you're from though. But anyway, oh my goodness, I appreciate you all jumping on early morning. Yes, I did a shout out to my Strength and Honor. What? You in Charlotte? Girl, you and Jackie need to come on now. We too close together. Where my mask at? I put a mask on. I'll put a mask on. I'll be like, hey, Jackie. Hey, Gloria, come on, girl. I need y'all for real. You say you live in Jacksonville? Okay, that's not too far. Awesome. Yeah, I love Charlotte too. It's nothing like it was when I was growing up. When I was growing up, all the neighbors, we knew each other and stuff like that. They told on each other's kids. You get in trouble, you got your butt towed up when I was young. Yes, sir. Wow. Oh, 4 hours, that still ain't bad. 4 hours, just like going to Atlanta. All right. Good morning, NYC. Hey, what's that, Yusuf? Hey, welcome. Good morning to you. Y'all just coming on to say good morning to everybody. I missed y'all this week. All of my followers and stuff. I normally try to get on at least twice a week, but I've been so busy. I got a full life, y'all, but I love it. Hey, look, I'm making money. Got to take care of them bills, honey. Bills don't stop. That's right. You got to keep it moving. Went on a little shopping spree last week. Yes, buddy. That was pretty fun, hanging out with my husband. Yeah. For who? It says something about Supervisor Eric's sister for cats. I don't know. I can't hardly see it. The writing is kind of skewed. Eric's sister for cats. Eric's sister. You talking about little short Eric? Are you serious? Girl, come on. Wow. Send me a picture in Messenger so I can see your face, or call me or something, girl. I need to see you for real. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, I appreciate y'all so much for coming by to see me. I didn't want nothing. I just want to say good morning. Let me give y'all a power tip. Let me give you something that's gonna catapult you into your day. You know, sometimes we be looking for stuff that that's gonna help us move into our day and want to be empowered. Let me see if I can find something super for you. How about that? Thanks, Jackie. Please do inbox me, girl. Oh, you just blessed me this morning. I love where I'm from. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. Let me give y'all an inspirational quote for life. Good morning, Tracy. How are you? I just came on to say good morning. How are you? You doing well? Yeah, Sister Teresa just wanting to come on and yap a little bit, just to say good morning. People, you know, we always talking business. People need to know your heart. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we focus all week. Let's get some downtime. Boom, 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 boom. Get some downtime. Hey, shake a little bit. Hey, get the morning on. Get your morning on. What? Yes, yes. Okay, so for those of you that are really focused this morning, Sister Teresa playing around on a Friday morning, focus, follow. But I don't want you to follow nobody but those that are succeeding in life, okay? One. We are all one. We move as one. We are one human race. One, okay? C, course. Stay the course. Stay on your path, okay? Stay on your path, until it's done. Don't ever give up. And you want success in your life. Be blessed, okay? Success starts with you. All the decisions that you make for your life, it starts with you. So if you're focused this morning and you're determined to make things happen, let's go over those words again. Follow one course until you have success, okay? Yes, yes. I love y'all. Thank y'all for joining me this morning. I just want to come on and say good morning. For those of you that woke up, like I said before, with the heartache, child, honey, this too shall pass. Okay? You had a bad day yesterday. It's gone. Yesterday is gone. The present is a gift for you to do something great. Okay? All righty. I believe in you. God bless you all. Thank you so much for following me, befriending me. Go to my YouTube channel too, and follow me on YouTube. Phases of Life, Inspirational Entertainment. Yes, yes. A voice of transparency. Listen, I love you all, Jackie. I'm so excited to see that you're on my page this morning. Kiss Eric for me with his cute self. I appreciate you so much. Who is that? Marquise. I hope I said that right. Taylor, what's up? I see you watching, but guess what? Sister Teresa getting ready to go. I love you, and I thank you for dropping by. Listen, y'all, don't forget to put in the comment section where you're chiming in from, okay? I want to know where you're coming. I know I have an international page. I have friends all over the world. My Strength and Honor Women. I'm always going to kiss you up. Yes, yes. I thank y'all so much. And if you haven't joined Strengthening Honor Women, go on over there and join us. This Sister Terza on a personal level. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yes. Do that. Okay? Well, Jacqueline, I love you. God bless you. I'm going to check out your page. Yes, I am. I'm going to check out your page. I hope you got some pictures of everybody. Shay, what about Shay? Shay Jones. Wow, I would love to see her. I hope you got some pictures of her on there. But anyway, y'all, I done got to my homegirl, Jacqueline. Listen, she right here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Guess what? I done got excited. I can't wait to get to your page, girl. I'm getting ready to look you up right now. I love y'all. I got to go now. Listen, I love you. We'll see you. We bid you peace and love always. Sister Terza loves you, and I'll see you over the top. And if you don't know how to get there, follow me. I'll get you there. Love you. Bye.